If your history class was snoozeworthy, you're about to get a wake-up call. First up, the Battle of Bunker Hill in 1775. This wasn't just a hill, it was the spark that ignited the American Revolution. With the cry, "Don't fire until you see the whites of their eyes," the colonists held their ground against the mighty British troops. Next, fast forward to 1863, the Battle of Gettysburg. This three-day clash was the turning point of the Civil War. Over 50,000 soldiers were lost, but it marked the beginning of the end for the Confederacy. Finally, let's not forget D-Day, June 6, 1944. The largest seaborne invasion in history saw Allied forces storm the beaches of Normandy. This battle was crucial in liberating Europe from Nazi control and showcased American bravery and strategy. These battles, filled with intense bravery and sacrifice, forever changed the course of history. And that, my friends, is why we remember. Stay curious, stay inspired.